I'm going to summarize 20 questions that I asked Bing AI with its new features in this video. I'm not going to go through every question in detail because I know for a fact from the histories that I've seen of people watching my various language model videos that nobody sticks around to watch beyond the first minute, and that's fine. All of the questions are going to be put in the chat, and you can use them for yourself, which I think is going to be way more fun than watching me, basically watch paint dry while I talk about all the different questions that I asked. So yeah, I asked it a bunch of questions. It only lets you go up to 20 questions. So that's why it keeps us count 1 of 20, 2 of 20, and so on. In some cases, I clicked on the recommended questions, one of them. Of course, when you click on one of the recommended questions at the end of the query, that's it. All the other ones go away, which is a feature that I do not like. But this has been really good and at the level of the original ChatGPT, and I even think it's a little better. And so actually, I'm still gonna finish the mathematical analysis book that I've been reading and going through it in ChatGPT because I'm almost done. But then I think I'm gonna go through the whole thing in Bing just because I'm learning more, and I think I could learn about the same in the regular ChatGPT. But I like this. I like this a lot. So there's a lot of content that comes out of asking various questions. This mode, what I call the purple mode, is the same as ChatGPT, the free version. But I know that because Microsoft pumped money into OpenAI, these answers are actually from ChatGPT 4, which would be otherwise paid for in the regular ChatGPT. So this has been really a great session. I'm not going to go through them again, but I am going to put all of the questions that I asked in the chat, and you yourself can go through. One little error that I noticed was that in some questions it repeated the index or the letter, the name of the set, the name of the concept. So for example, it keeps saying since MN and NN, but it's really since M and N, and so on. So I went through some of the paradoxes. In Naive Set Theory, I asked, okay, what is Naive Set Theory? Can you define it for me? Because that's really the overarching concept under which Cardinality and all the work that Cantor did fits in, and others. And so, yeah, I'm just rushing through all this content right here just to show you in as brief a video as possible. I did ask about some concepts that were used in the answers, like order types. And I know that I can retake these questions in and run it through multiple times until I get a really thorough description of Naive Set Theory and Cardinality, and I will do at some other point. Today's session was really meant only as a test. So, yeah.